Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Cash App using instant deposit step by step clearly. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Navigate to the main screen, where you can see your balance. Tap on the Cash button, usually located at the bottom center of the screen. Select the amount you wish to withdraw. Tap on the Withdraw option. Choose Instant to proceed with an instant deposit. Review the transfer details to ensure the information is correct. If it's your first time using instant deposit, you may need to set up your linked bank account. Select the bank account you want to transfer the funds to. Confirm the transfer by tapping on the Confirm button. You might be prompted to enter your PIN or use biometric verification. Wait for the transaction to process. You should receive a notification confirming the transfer. Check your bank account to verify that the funds have arrived. If the funds do not appear within the expected time frame, check your Cash App for any transaction issues. Reach out to Cash App support if you encounter any problems. You're all set to withdraw funds from Cash App using instant deposit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.